let's unbox some colored contacts by HANIIX. This is a collaboration with HANIIX. Today we're gonna unbox some cute natural color browns from HANIIX. You guys know now with the colored contacts, I'm kind of off into a more natural look, but at the same time, a bold look. And I think that is what HANIIX is giving. So I, of course, went to their brown category of colored contact lenses, both 1 year supply and month supply, and chose the ones that I thought fit me and go with my aesthetic. And we went with nude brown, we went with a muse brown, and we went with a Adele brown. Yes, and some other cute little goodies that came in the box as well. I wanted to show you guys their website, HANIIX.com. Please keep in mind we have a code for my audience. Code is Michael on any orders. Keep that in mind. Don't forget to use my code to let your girl get some commission off of each order. Once again, this is a partnership with HANIIX. So you want to make sure you use my code to get your goodies off of this site so I can get my credit, okay? Support your girl. But I'm just showing you guys the website here. They have loads of reviews on here if you guys want to check it out. And also a FAQ section here for you to read up on before you decide to order. So like I said, naturally I went to the brown category section because we're off into the more natural look, something that kind of enhances my eyes and not, draw a lot of attention to them and say, oh my God, like I can tell you're wearing contacts. So, I went with something that really fit me. So it's like if you want people to compliment your eyes and, think they're natural and you already have a natural brown eye, I think, you go to their brown category. It fits us so much better. So I saw a few other pair on here that I was like, oh, I need to get those. So I took a note of those and I'm gonna get those later. But I'm overall satisfied with the ones that I've picked out. So let's go ahead and start to try these on so you guys can see what they look like. I do want to say you want to rinse these off with your favorite contact solution. It kind of softens these up even more. They're already soft lenses, but it kind of softens them up even more to make them even more comfortable. So you want to use the contact solution that you are comfortable with using to rinse these before even putting them in. I'm going to say that again. Rinse them before putting them in, and they're even more comfortable. So this is what we have going here. I love all of these that I'm trying on. The Adele brown was, I think, one of my favorites. The nude brown kind of blend in with my eyes already, kind of like a dark brown, almost black. But I really love them. Like if I want to be even more subtle, and like say, oh, you're wearing your real eyes, I would wear the nude brown. But Adele brown is pretty also. And then the very last pair, which is more of a vibrant look. I was not expecting it to be as loud as it is. Muse brown. Okay, but very cute, but can still pass as, a natural eye color. Because, you actually have people of the color of myself that actually has eyes this color. So it could actually pass for my eye color. But way more dramatic than the first two pair. I will say that. But the Muse Brown does complement my skin tone very much so. I think it goes great. Definitely goes with my skin tone. It complements my skin well. That's what I'm trying to say. And I have to say these were comfortable all day long. They didn't start to scratch my eye or anything. That is the God honest truth. Like I said, you want to make sure you rinse these, before inserting them each day. You want to make sure you rinse them with your favorite contact solution. It it makes them 1,000 times more comfortable for all day wear. So I went ahead and went with the Muse Brown to wear for today because I really liked how it was matching my shirt. It was matching my skin tone. Like, girl, everything was just flowing together just perfectly. So we went with these. Little recap. We're going to go back and look at each pair again to give you a feel. Once again, we have a code you can use. The code is Mykel, Mykel. You can use that on any order, and your girl would very much appreciate it. But that is the end of this little unboxing, this little review of contact lenses. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite pair, or if there's a pair on the website that you found cute. Let me know. Thanks for watching.